for Erik, for the next generation.
For generations, your hands have carried the knowledge, thread by thread, stroke by stroke, the techniques your grandmothers taught you. In the age of machines that learn, who protects what you know?
These mathematical barriers are our only true protection, Erik. The harmony must be precise.
I'm not convinced that the math alone will hold them back, Aunt Astrid.
It looks like my work, yes, but it was made by the machine, not by hand.
Okay, initializing the profile. Please state your designation.
I'm not sure about this, Erik.
Skaper vokter allianse. Matematisk harmoni barrierer.
Finding Human was built for you. Not to fight technology, to use it.
This is JUDO Economics. Their weight, your advantage. If this resonates with your guild, we should talk.